Today I'm sharing with you how to make chicken Kali Mirch or pepper chicken, the dry version, which makes for a great appetizer or even a good side, especially with rice dishes. So let's get started. For making this dry version of pepper chicken, you need 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs cut into large bite-sized pieces. And you can adapt this recipe to use bone-in chicken too. But if you're using boneless chicken, it's best to use chicken thighs and not breast meat for a juicier pepper chicken. 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, half tablespoon fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds, 10 curry leaves, 2 dry red chilies, 1 cup of chopped onions, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. To begin with, in a dry mixer, crush the black peppercorns and fennel seeds into a fine powder. Then add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt to this pepper and fennel powder and give it another quick pulse in the mixie. The spice rub for marinating the chicken is ready. Apply the spice rub to the chicken, ensuring to coat it well. Then let the chicken marinate in this spice mix for about 1 to 2 hours. Now in a wide pan, lightly heat up the oil and add in the black mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start crackling, add in the curry leaves and red chilies, each slit in 2 parts, and roast for about 1 to 2 minutes till they get lightly roasted. Then add in the chopped onions and about half a teaspoon of salt and saute on medium flame till the onions start to turn light brown. This takes about 7 to 8 minutes. When the onions are done, add in the ginger garlic paste and saute for 2 to 3 minutes, just till it loses its raw flavor. Finally, add in the marinated chicken pieces and mix it in. And cook this covered on medium-high heat, stirring intermittently till the chicken is fully cooked, which usually takes about 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, deliciously spicy chicken Kali Mirch. Serve it hot as an appetizer or as a side with rice dishes and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!